Well guys, for the piston, I have this. It fits in nice and snug, but there's still a bit of gap in there, which I don't really like. So I'm thinking of trying to make one out of this, and if it doesn't work, I'll go back to that one. I had made this, guys, see if it works today. I'll do the rest off camera. This is now very near the size, so I'm not going to take too much off. I'm just going to try to blemish it off a little bit. I've cut it off, guys, and I'm just going to face the upper end. This is going to go in there. I'm thinking whether to flatten this end first, one end, so that I can drill a hole. I'm making the other end of this over there. So that was just to get the center of that. I'm going to drill a hole same size as this, so that will fit on the other end of this. So this is a wide end here, and that's going to go on the outside like this. Sorry, that's going to go on the inside. So that's how it's going to go, the wide end there. Hence I had to make this to be on that side of there like this. As you can see, then when the piston comes down, it'll have the rod in there, and that will spin that. So this goes, I'll drill a hole in there and go like this. So I'm gonna make a bush. I think it will help it spin better. Drilling a hole in the bush so this pin can go through. So this is the bush, okay, and it will go through, or we'll drill a hole there, yeah, we'll go through there, we'll go through like that. So I've hammered that in, it's loose on this end, it's tight on that end. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to super glue it down here, but before I do that, I do believe that that's too far out. I'm going to take another 1/8 off there to turn it down a bit. So this will go there like that. This will go there like this. This will go on the other end like that. So you can see that. But this will go then on this end. And can you see how close that is to the piston? So this piston will go like this. So I've got to make this very carefully. I don't know at this moment if it's going to work, but we'll have a look.